Hey, it's Rafael Cintron here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your average order value to over $1,000 with a particular tool. I'm going to take you in depth on how you can use the tool and how to create amazing thank you pages so that people that already buy from your store buy again and again and again, and how to increase that amount of the spend that someone has on your store. Let's go. Increasing average order value and basically getting more money per customer is one of those key metrics that you need to look at in order to be super profitable with your Shopify store. I've seen a lot of Shopify stores that on paper, they don't look like they're profitable. They're selling maybe saturated products, or they're selling products at a very low margin, but because they have those upsells, they have continuous repurchases. People are spending $200, $300 on their stores, they are able to profit and scale consistently and long term. I also have one particular student, Johnny, who made $30-something thousand with 30-something orders, meaning each order was $1,000 on his store. And I'm gonna show you an app that can help you set that up in order for you to get those numbers as well on your orders and increase that average order value massively. Okay, we are here in our Shopify store and we're going to use this particular app here called Reconvert. Reconvert is an upsell and cross-sell app that allows you to create a thank you page right after people buy from your store in order to sell them other products, give them a discount on another product, and get them to buy again and again. If you get a $100 order, you will be massively profitable if you get that order to 200, 300, and that's exactly what we're gonna do today. So let's click on that app right there, and let's go to the app. And right here we have Reconvert, Upsell, and Cross-Sell. This is how it looks like on the right-hand side here. The company that makes it is Stilio Apps. And here we have the dashboard, templates, triggers, settings, design, store. We are going to create a new template. A template essentially means a thank you page for people to go to after they buy your product that you're selling. Whatever product that you're selling now, you can send them to this particular templated thank you page, and then they can buy other products. So essentially, we're gonna create a new template, and it does combine with Shopify. So you get the Shopify information of the purchase information of the, right here, the thank you first name. We're gonna name this template, let's do test page number 1, save. And here you can see thank you first name, order is confirmed, customer information. So all of this information is necessary when you are buying from Shopify, or when you're selling a product to somebody and they wanna see this information, it's necessary. So you can't really edit this particular part. And at the top, you got this header here with the guarantee safe checkout and all of that. We can actually remove that header because we don't wanna have this guarantee safe checkout. So what we wanna have there at the top is, let's say, for example, like a thank you or a just congratulations on the order. So what we can do for that, we can actually create it on Canva. We can go to canva.com. It's essentially like a logo maker, banner maker, designer app that you can use to really create any design. And in this case, we're going to design it to the exact size that we need on Reconvert, which is 500 by 145. So what you can do here is you can click resize on the left top there. And we have here a 500 by 500, which is essentially a logo template. We can click resize, and then we have 500 by 145. There we go. Okay, so 500 by 145, we got it there. So let's say that we want to add just a thank you. I'm gonna make it very simple here, just not to waste your time, but we can say, for example, and we can put it as black there, thank you. We can stretch that out here and then put here for your order, and then just download that, download it, and then upload it to Reconvert. And now we have the design saved there. We can upload it, upload an image, and then download. Oh, we got that. Boom. Thank you for your order. So whatever banner or header you want to have there, you can just create it on Canva. It takes you 2 minutes, literally, and then you can just upload it to the top of the thank you page of your store. Now we have the thank you first name, order is confirmed, customer information, things that naturally show up when somebody buys from your store. Now we are going to actually add the upsell part of it, or the product recommendation part of it, so that people can keep buying from our store once they already buy. So in the left area, in the right area, you have this section and this section right here. We can do left area and then add a section, and we can put, for example, we can add a discount. So for example, you have 10% off discount for your next order. If they already bought from you, they're more likely to buy from you again because they already trust your store, they already put their payment information. And if you give them a discount, that's really gonna push them over the edge. Maybe they wanted to buy another product, but it was too expensive. You can give them a discount here at the bottom. You can also give them product recommendations. This is how it looks like. So offer expires in 5 minutes and 2 of the products that they can buy with the reviews, and then buy now. And the cool thing about this is that people can buy directly from the Reconvert thank you page, and you can just buy from there and then get the purchase or the money right away. You also have product upsell, product title, buy now. So the same thing as the product recommendation, just one specific product. And you also have the reorder. So you can actually reorder the product that they already ordered. If they want to order it again, maybe you want to sell it for a family or for multiple people, they just bought one, you want to get them to buy again. So that's definitely very, very helpful. In this particular case, let's do the product recommendations one. I really like that one because you have multiple products there and we can add that on. And then once you have that on, we have the products to display here. So there's multiple ways that you can actually display this. You can do a specific collection of the product. You can do Shopify recommendations, depending on what you are selling, depending on what niche you have, what kind of products you're selling. Obviously this is gonna change, but for now, we're just gonna leave it to Shopify recommendations, which is pretty much when you go to a Shopify store, you click on one particular product, and then automatically with Shopify's algorithm, it shows you other related products to that based on the tags, based on the names, based on the collections of those products. You can just let Shopify do its job if you want. You can also change the actual, you can show the product vendors, which I don't really recommend. It's probably, in your case, probably like Source Inbox or CJ Dropshipping or Fulfillment, or you have a private agent, so you don't want to add that on. And then you can also apply a discount to them. So for example, if you want to have those product recommendations plus the discount, you can put, for example, 10% discount, and then it will show like this. So it will show the price of the product, 10% discount, and then the real price of the product. And then you can add here, for example, special deal or special discount for people that buy from us, or special discount for our happy customers, things like this. And then in the bottom, you can also delete this section if you want to eventually get rid of that. So let's test that out. You can go back, left area, save it, and now we have an awesome thank you page that has the order confirmation, the customer information, and then the upsell at the bottom. People typically, when they buy from a store, they look at this page carefully and detailed because they have their information there and they want to know when the product is coming, when their order is actually going to arrive to them. So you want to put a lot of attention into making this page as beautiful as possible. You can also add 2 elements on this. So in the bottom, you have the product recommendations, and then in the right area, we can add something else. We can add, for example, a birthday collector. This one I thought was really cool. Let us know your birthday, a special gift will be heading your way. So what you could do theoretically, if you're getting maybe 50 orders per day, 100 orders per day, maybe even more, 200, 300 orders per day, you will have a nice amount of people that they want something out of your store, or they just want to play with your store, you want to gamify a little bit. They can put their birthday in there, and then you have a spreadsheet or you have a database with all of the birthdays, and you can send them an email with a discount code. You can set this up with Klaviyo so that every single birthday, once it arrives, that person gets an email saying, hey, here's a coupon code for your birthday, and the open rates on those emails will be huge because obviously it's their birthday, and if you send them an email, happy birthday, they're gonna tend to open it up because it's very, very relevant to them specifically. Other things you can add is also a call to action, collection list, custom HTML, just text there, and a post-purchase survey, which I thought is really good. So we can actually create a survey there and ask the customer, why did you buy from us? What specifically made you trust our store? What other products can we offer you? So you can get really good information from people that are already giving you money. And then we can also do, for example, if you want, you can do product recommendations here and then reorder there. And this one, I like the right side better because it shows up right under the amount of money that they spent. So if they spent $60 in this case, you got whatever it is that you're actually trying to push to them. Maybe it's reorder, maybe it's product recommendations. It's right there next to the price. So they're more likely to see that one than they are to see the bottom one. So I think this particular app is going to make you a lot of money. I'm not sponsored by them. I actually know the owner and the team. So I know that it's a great app and it has a lot of good reviews. Highly, highly recommended for your store. Thank you for watching this video on Reconvert and Upsells and getting to $1,000 per order. If you want to work with me and my team, mentor with me, and like Johnny, reach that amount of $1,000 per order or just be profitable, scale up massively this year and beyond, go ahead and book a free discovery call with that second link in the description. Make sure you book your time, whatever day I'm posting this video, you can book the exact time and day that you want to do the call. We're happy to talk to you, see if the mentorship fits you, and see if we can get your results as well in your business. And after you do that, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, that like button down below. And if you want to learn more about Shopify, dropshipping, scaling your business, check the video that's going to pop up right here. There's going to be a square here and you can click that video to keep learning, keep watching. Make sure you subscribe so you get the best videos out there, and comment below any questions that you have on this app or anything Shopify. I am happy to answer them.